Hello everyone, in this video we're going to draw a Minecraft wolf. Start by drawing a square for the head. First make two long vertical lines for the sides of the head. Pay attention to the spacing of the lines in relation to their lengths. Then add a horizontal line at the top and a horizontal line at the bottom to finish the shape of the square. Use a ruler or any other straight edge if you're having a hard time drawing straight lines. Inside the square, draw a vertical line to split the shape in half. And then draw a horizontal line in the middle to split the shape into 4 sections. These are construction guides that will help you place the facial features later on. On the top left side of the head, draw 2 short vertical lines for the first ear. Close off the shape at the top using a short horizontal line. On the right, draw another small square the same way as the guide for the other ear. On the lower half of the head, to the left of the vertical line, draw a short line for the first part of the muzzle. And then farther to the right of the vertical line, draw another short line to complete the shape of the muzzle. Close to the left edge of the head, draw a long vertical line for the first part of the torso. Now farther to the left of the head, draw another long vertical line for the other edge of the torso. Draw this line slightly higher than the first line. And now connect the lines at the top using a sloping line. Connect the lines at the bottom using a sloping line too. Draw a line from the top left corner to the ear for the top part of the torso. Between the ears, draw 2 shorter lines for the rest of the top part of the torso. Below the head, draw a short sloping line for the front bottom edge of the torso. Now to the left of the shape, draw 3 long sloping lines for the back portion of the body. Make the top line short and the 2 other lines slightly longer. Close off the shape on the left using a vertical line and a sloping line at the top. Under the front corner of the body, draw a long vertical line as a guide for the first front leg. To the right, draw a slightly shorter vertical line as a guide for the other front leg. Under the back portion of the body, on the left side, draw another vertical line as a guide for the first hind leg. To the right, draw a shorter vertical line as a guide for the other hind leg. On the top left side of the body, draw a sloping line as a guide for the tail. And that's it for the guidelines. Now let's start on the final drawing. Inside the head, on top of the horizontal line and to the left of the vertical line, draw a small square for the first eye. The eye is made up of 2 short vertical lines for the sides and short horizontal lines for the top and bottom. Now to the right of the vertical guideline, draw another small square for the other eye. Darken the small square on the lower half of the head for the muzzle. Extend the bottom part of the muzzle farther down below the head. Add an extra line on the left side to make the shape of the muzzle more 3-dimensional. Use the initial shapes as guides to draw the head. Simply darken the outer edges of the initial guides to create the shape of the head. Don't overlap the shape of the muzzle as you darken the bottom edge of the head. Add a line on the left side of the head to make the shape more 3-dimensional. Draw a short line on the left edge of the ear on the right too. Inside the muzzle at the top, draw a small square for the nose. The square for the nose should be about the same size as the eyes. Close to the bottom edge of the muzzle, draw a horizontal line for the mouth. Now use the shapes on the left as guides to draw the body. Simply darken the lines to create the shape of the body. Don't overlap the head as you draw the front part of the body. Under the body, darken the second line from the right for the first front leg. To the right, draw another vertical line for the edge of the leg. And then to the left, draw another vertical line for the other edge of the leg. Draw the lines on the sides shorter than the line in the middle, and then close off the shape at the bottom using short sloping lines. Now use the vertical line on the far left as a guide to draw the first hind leg the same way. Darken the line and then draw 2 more vertical lines on the sides. Make the lines on the sides shorter than the line in the middle, and then close off the shape at the bottom. Darken the line on the right for the first part of the other hind leg. Then draw a shorter vertical line to the right for the other edge of the hind leg. And then, just like before, close off the shape using sloping lines at the bottom. Darken the line on the far right for the final leg. Add a vertical line on the right side for the outer edge of this leg. And then close off the shape at the bottom using sloping lines. Darken the line on the top left side of the body for the tail. Just like with the legs, draw 2 shorter lines on the sides of this line for the outer edges of the tail. Then close off the shape on the left side using shorter lines. And now go over the final lines with a pen, a marker, or any other type of permanent ink. The next few steps are sped up so that the video won't be too long. Take your time and be careful when you ink your drawing to avoid any accidents. Don't ink the initial guidelines, only the final drawing. When the ink dries, erase all of the guidelines. And now color your drawing. Use black for the sides of the ears, the eyes, the nose, and the bottom part of the muzzle. Color the bottom half of the head and muzzle light brown. Using gray, draw small squares on top of the eyes and on the sides. Then color the rest of the body gray, but leave these small squares blank. Use red or any other color you want for the collar. And that's it for the Minecraft wolf. Don't forget to pause the video to draw at your own pace. Also, please visit EasyDrawingTutorials.com, where every step of this tutorial is broken down into an individual image. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment. Also subscribe for more videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep drawing.